Hey man, so I'm wondering, what are your plans for the colleagues for Spring Festival? You getting any gifts or anything?
Yeah, I want to get them something, but I don't know what to get them.
Ah, that's the perfect solution. You don't need to get them anything. You can get them red envelopes.
Oh,
What people do for gifts in China.
I've seen these, but how do you do it?
Oh, it's just you take some cash, you put it in here, and you hand them out. That's it.
That sounds easy enough.
Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go get some.
All right, great. Yeah.
Cool. All right. Three, look, I got them.
Right,
Yeah, I got them.
wow.
I know. I'm really excited. I'm gonna give them to the classmates.
Sweet.
That's gonna be great.
That was great.
Oh, hey Ryan, what happened to your hand, man? Are you okay?
Yeah, I broke my arm in basketball.
Doing what? Oh man, that's a tough man.
I know,
Basketball. Very good. Well, hey man, have a home now.
Yeah, I love Humba. I
Oh,
love Humba.
nice.
So what you got for me? Let's take a look. What? It's empty.
Huh?
Honey,
Huh?
now you left me with a broken heart.